Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2021 Polaris Ranger 1000 EPS. Has an additional front brush guard. I would say new front ITP 6-ply tires, crank down window doors. These rear tires look like they're around 30-40% tread. Has a tilt assist dump box, glass windshield, wiper washer kit, glass rear window, rear view mirror. It has a heater. 1,223 engine hours on this machine. 11,004 miles. I'm going to take another video of this getting started up, drove around. If you got any questions, you can always call us at our dealership, 406-232-3300.